a little job that's fallen foul of my OCD is just a little bit of corrosion on the front brake caliper, which wasn't mentioned to me and I failed to spot when I bought it, but just a simple job of cleaning it up. Underneath is okay, and I think from the other side, round the other side, is okay as well, but we'll just have a quick look. Yeah, everything over there looks fine as well. So just a quick clean up and a little bit of paint should sort that out for us. Just a good brushing, make sure we get rid of any loose paint as well as the corrosion. Should try and get it back to shiny metal everywhere. That's not looking too bad. Really useful, these little wire brushes. I think it might be a case of checking out your local tool station to get some of these. There we go, that's looking nice and shiny. Just for the hell of it, I think I'm going to remove that bolt. And for those who want to know, that's a 12mm socket. So we get some paint under the default position and make sure I remember to put that back in 24 hours time. Nice and clean under there, that should accept our paint without any problems. Make sure there's no more loose paint under there. Good. Okay. We're going to clean up with some brake cleaner. Might as well do the whole lot while we're at it. One coating. There we go. One tin of paint and a cheap paintbrush. One faithful paint stirring stick. Oh yeah, there's some stuff in the bottom of there. And hopefully that will solve that problem, but we won't know until 24 hours has elapsed. But I think if we give it half an hour, I think it says, we can then put another coat on there, and that'll be job done.